recharged battery at home, and all I have today is my little water camera, and I thought what a good day to do a rant. So we're going to do a 1-minute underwater rant, get out all of those frustrations that I'm frequently taking to the water, and you could save this episode because it might come in handy again in the future. Well, that feels so much better. I hope it does for you too. If you'd like to Skype, it's Roxanne Darling. And if you'd like to call, the number is 949-544-1456. Aloha everybody, ahoy ho!